Hello. This is BSc third semester Mathematics Unit 3 Infinite Series. Definition. Consider an infinite sequence. Consider an infinite sequence U of n, then infinite sum u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus and so on u of n and so on of members of sequence un is called infinite series or simply series. This is denoted by summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity u of n, or simply summation un. Series is denoted by summation n is equal to 1 to infinity u of n, or simply summation un. For example, summation 1 by n is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on. Similarly, to summation n square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on n square. And third one, summation minus 1 raised to n is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and so on. A series u of n is said to be positive if sequence un greater than 0. A series summation un, a series un is said to be positive if sequence of un is greater than 0, or else sequence, if a sequence is positive, then we call that series also positive. A series un is said to be positive if sequence is positive for all n belongs to n. And a series un is said to be alternating series. A series un is said to be alternating series if terms of the series are alternatively positive or negative. That means summation minus 1 raised to n is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and so on. This is alternating series. Let series un be a series in general. Let us consider the following terms. S1 is equal to u1, S2 is equal to u1 plus u2, S3 is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 and so on. Sn is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 and so on u of n. Here S1 is called the first partial sum of series u1. S2 is called second partial sum of u2. In general, Sn is the sum of first n terms of series called nth partial sum of series un. Next, nature of series. That means definition for convergent, divergent and oscillatory series. Definitions. First one, let un be a series and Sn be the sum of partial sum of series un. Then the series un is convergent if sequence of partial sum is convergent. That means if Sn is convergent, then only series is convergent. Series U of n is convergent. Next, second one. That means, I repeat once again, the series U of n is convergent. The series summation un is said to be convergent if the sequence of partial sum Sn is convergent. That means limit n tends to infinity, S of n is equal to L. This is convergent series. Next, second one. The series un is divergent if sequence of partial sum is divergent. That means S of L. Sequence of partial sum divergent, either plus infinity or minus infinity. Sequence of partial sum converges to either plus infinity or minus infinity. In this case, series is divergent. Third one, oscillatory series. The series un is said to be oscillates finitely if the sequence of partial sum oscillates finitely. That means it oscillates in oscillatory series. In oscillatory series, sequence of partial sum Sn oscillates between minus L to plus L. That means, example nodi, that means summation minus 1 raised to n is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and so on. This is an alternating series. This is an example for alternating series. Finitely oscillatory series. This is alternating series, which is also example for finitely oscillatory series. And second case, in oscillatory series, second case is infinitely oscillatory series. The series Sn is said to be oscillates infinitely if sequence of partial sum Sn oscillates between minus infinity to minus infinity, oscillates between minus infinity and plus infinity. For example, summation minus 1 raised to n into n. This is diverges to plus infinity if n is even, and diverges to minus infinity if n is odd. Therefore, it is an example for infinitely oscillatory series.